Hello there, Sass. Today we're gonna do garlic bread biscuits. So the ingredients we're gonna need is all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, garlic powder, butter, buttermilk, eggs, parmesan, and green onions. So please put on the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all the dry ingredients, so these ones, and we're gonna mix it well together in the bowl. Then we're gonna add the butter, mix it well so that there's no big pieces. Then we're gonna add in our parmesan and our green onions. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna whisk our egg, then we're gonna add in our buttermilk and mix well together. Then we're gonna add that to our dry ingredients and mix it well. Now we're gonna scoop up our mixture and we're gonna make balls and put it on our pan with parchment paper on it. Then we're gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.